Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into the latest WASender version 5.0.8. If you've been struggling with manual outreach or need a better way to manage your marketing campaigns, this latest update brings improved stability and faster processing speeds. First, head over to the link in the description. Once you're on the download page, you'll see the release notes for version 5.0.8. It's always good to scan those for the newest improvements. After downloading, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. This is a crucial step to ensure the software has the necessary permissions to sync with your browser correctly. Manik, let's jump into the primary dashboard. On the left, you'll see the Bulk Sender tab. Here you can either manually add numbers or import a CSV file. Pro tip, always ensure your column headers are clearly defined if you're importing in bulk. Once your numbers are loaded, head to the Message Composer. You aren't just limited to text, click the attachment button to add high-quality images, PDFs, or even short promotional videos. If you want to boost interaction, click on the polls feature. It's a great way to get customers to engage with a single click. Before hitting send, make sure you've configured your delay settings. This is your insurance policy against account restrictions. Now let's talk about the tools section, which is where the real value is. Click on the Google Maps Extractor. Simply type in your target niche, like restaurants in New Delhi, and watch the software scrape business names, website URLs, and phone numbers in real time. If you're working with a fresh WhatsApp number, don't rush into sending thousands of messages. Spend at least 24 hours using the WhatsApp Warmer tool. It simulates real conversations, which builds trust with the WhatsApp servers. After that, you can set up your autoresponder under the Settings tab to handle welcome messages or FAQs, keeping your response time instant. That covers the essential toolkit for WASender 5.0.8. It's an incredibly powerful suite for anyone looking to automate their sales funnel. If you had any trouble with the installation or setup, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the latest version. If this guide saved you some time today, hit that like button and subscribe for more software tutorials. See you in the next one.